Have you ever wondered how computers communicate with each other on the internet? It's a bit like a digital game of telephone, but instead of whispers, we have electronic signals zipping around at light speed. This process, known as internet communication, might sound complicated, but don't worry. We're going to simplify it for you, breaking it down into digestible steps. So buckle up and get ready as we journey into the fascinating world of internet communication. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this captivating subject. So, what's the first thing that computers need to communicate over the internet? The answer is IP addresses. Now, let's delve a little deeper into what IP addresses actually are. Simply put, an internet protocol, or IP address, is a unique identifier assigned to every device connected to the internet. This includes your computer, smartphone, tablet, and even your smart fridge, or thermostat. These IP addresses play a crucial role in how data is sent and received online. They're like the GPS coordinates for your device on the vast, digital landscape of the internet. When you send an email, stream a movie, or browse a website, the information is directed to and from your device using its IP address. Without these unique identifiers, the internet would be like a massive city without any road signs or house numbers. Communication would be impossible because there would be no way to identify where information should be sent or received from. Think of IP addresses like house addresses on the internet. Without them, computers wouldn't know where to send or receive information. Now that we know about IP addresses, let's talk about how the actual information travels over the internet. Meet data packets and internet protocols. So, what exactly are data packets? Picture them as tiny chunks of information. Whenever we want to send something over the internet, be it an email, a web page, or a funny cat video, it's broken down into these small pieces. These data packets are like the building blocks of the information we exchange online. Now imagine trying to navigate through a bustling city without a map. It would be chaotic, wouldn't it? That's where internet protocols come in. These are the rules and guidelines that data packets follow to make their journey across the internet. They're the map that guides our little data packets to their destination. The most common protocols you may have heard of are TCP and IP. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, ensures that data packets are sent and received in the correct order. On the other hand, IP, or Internet Protocol, is responsible for sending these packets from the sender to the receiver. So, in essence, data packets are the vehicle, and Internet protocols are the GPS system guiding them. Together, they make sure that your messages, emails, and cat videos reach their intended destination, be it across the room or around the world. Imagine data packets as tiny digital postmen, carrying your information across the vast internet following the map provided by internet protocols. Okay, we've got our digital postmen, but how do they know where to go? That's where routers and ISPs come in. Routers are like the traffic directors of the internet, making sure data packets reach their intended destination. They read the destination IP address on each packet and decide the best route for it to take. This might be a direct route, or it might involve hopping through multiple routers. Now let's talk about ISPs, or Internet Service Providers. ISPs connect you to the broader internet. Think of them as the main highways that your data travels on. They're responsible for making sure your data gets from your home network to the rest of the internet and back again. So, in essence, routers and ISPs work together to get your data where it needs to go. They're like the roadways and traffic lights guiding our tiny digital postmen to their destination. Let's take a moment to recap the journey of internet communication. We began by understanding how computers on the internet communicate, akin to a vast digital city. In this city, every computer has a unique address, the IP address, which helps in identifying and reaching the correct destination. We then delved into the concept of data packets, tiny digital parcels that carry our messages, images, and videos across the internet. These data packets are governed by certain rules or protocols, which ensure that the data is transferred efficiently and accurately. Next, we explored the role of routers and internet service providers, or ISPs. These are like the postmen, delivering our data packets to the right addresses. Routers direct the data packets on the best route, while ISPs provide the infrastructure for this vast digital city. And there you have it. The next time you send an email or visit a web page, think about the amazing process happening behind the scenes. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of internet communication.